Looking for shuttlecocks that can keep up with your badminton game? These durable nylon shuttlecocks deliver consistent performance and long-lasting play, so you spend more time on the court and less time replacing damaged gear. Whether you're playing outdoors or hosting a tournament, their sturdy nylon base stands up to rough conditions without losing shape or flight quality. I've hosted an annual badminton party for years, and losing shuttlecocks is part of the tradition. They get stuck in trees, shredded, or simply vanish during the fun. This pack of 6 shuttlecocks changed the game. The solid packaging protects them during shipping and storage, so they arrive ready to play. Opening the tube feels like unwrapping something special, except instead of chips, you get top-quality shuttlecocks that hold up through every match. The fact that there are 6 in a pack meant we made it through the whole tournament without running out, which is a win in itself. What really stands out is the price. These shuttlecocks offer excellent value without sacrificing quality. Plus, the brand stays true to tradition by calling them shuttlecocks instead of birdies, which adds a touch of authenticity to your game. If you're serious about badminton or just want reliable shuttlecocks for your next party, this pack is worth a look. When you're ready to upgrade your game, these shuttlecocks are ready for you.